Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to repair the Imei and Meid for LG X410PM, alias known as LG K30. So let's check for the values. As you can see, we have here the Imei and Meid values which we plan to repair. So for this I'm going to use Furious Gold Box and OT Smart Lattice module. I'm going to start by selecting the model from the software. I'm going to click repair Imei. So I'm going to put here the new Imei value. I'm gonna put some dummy values for demonstration only and for the Meid. Now I'm going to power off the device. And I'm going to keep press the volume up while inserting the USB cable in the powered off phone. And if everything is okay, the phone should enter in the firmware update mode. Firmware update. It should also be visible in the device manager under the ports section. So returning to the software, I'm going to press done. And if everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. The phone is going to reboot several times during this process. So be patient and don't disconnect it. I'm going to save now the backup. You can see here the current values. So that's all, the operation completed. Now let's check the phone and see if everything is okay. So as you can see, the values got changed to the ones we entered in the software, so the operation was successful. So thanks for watching this tutorial, thanks for using our products, bye bye.